Hello, everyone. Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original. This is the night sky knot. The last video was going to be that, but it just turned into something else. So this is the night sky. So this is my left side, 2 ties, and they're going to both be at the belt line as usual. You guys know the drill. We're going to just come over and we're just going to fold these 2 in half and bring both of them up and over like so. So I'm using the tie I used in the last video for the black rose, and I got a black knit tie right here. You don't have to have a knit tie. I just chose one. So this is what we have so far. So I'm just going to bring those back around like this, like so. Then I'm going to cross the bottom one over like this, cross the top over like this, and it's going to kind of fold in half. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that. The top tie, fold it in half, bring it around. So we have this here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the knit tie or the top one and I'm just going to kind of do that with it because I'm going to come back to it. So I'm going to take the bottom one like this, and I'm just going to come across like this. I'm going to come through this here. I want to tighten this up as tight as I can because I want as much material as I can. Then I'm going to come back across this way. I'm going to kind of do this because I want it to kind of come like this. This is what I want to see. I'm going to bring that under. So I want to tighten it because I want it to kind of loop out. So now I'm going to bring my knit tie back, or the bottom, the top one. So I'm going to come up and under and then over like this. And I'm going to keep this folded in half, and it's going to naturally do that. So then I'm going to come back around like this. Okay, so there's going to be a piece that's going to be kind of sticking out like this as well. When you tighten it, there should be another flap like this. So I want that to be kind of poking out like that. Then bring this like so. And there you have the night sky. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video. See this picture on Instagram at Simmonsessentials.